Hey y'all, it's your girl Alyssa. Today we're about to get into just doing some makeup and chilling and talking and chilling and talking, okay? I got a few new products that I want to use on camera. I have had them for a while. If y'all knew how long I had these products, y'all be like, girl, you be doing the most. But anyway, new foundations to try out, new stuff, and some old stuff too, and just chat. So if you are interested, girl, please keep on watching. If you are not subscribed and you are not a part of the ChicMarieB family, go ahead and join the family. Hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and let's go. Definitely, okay, this isn't new, but it's my Hydro Grip. Honestly, it is better when I put it in my hand and go like this, because I can really get in there. Yeah. So clearly I already have my brows and my eyes and my lashes on. These are the Kiss Royal Silk Lashes. I've used these so many times, y'all. So many. And on my eyes, I use the Supreme Nudes from Artist Couture. And my brows are Benefit, usual. Y'all, so I got 3 new foundations, to be honest. Estee Lauder, Teint Idole, Lancome, and MAC NC44. The MAC NC44 is not the right shade I thought maybe it will be. This is Lancome 345W, and then I have, the Lancome the Estee Lauder. I'm getting all confused. The Estee Lauder and 4W4 Hazel. I'm gonna try this one out first because people love this and they say it lasts a long time, and let's try this out in the shade Hazel. Not sure if it's the right shade, haven't tried this at all. We're trying this together. Let's see. I'm gonna do one side with the sponge really quick. Got a loud smell. Remind you of MAC. Oof, very loud. So y'all know I always use the e.l.f. sponges. These are pretty much the best sponges to me on the market. I don't buy a beauty blender anymore because they're $20 and these $5 and these are bomb. It's a little light. It's a little too light, but I'm gonna keep on blending. I think this would have been my shade if I was still at home, or like this is probably my winter shade. Let me say that winter shade because I now have a tan. But I feel like I'm gonna have like a tan always here, but we'll see. Because it doesn't look bad. I'm gonna keep going. It doesn't look bad. Okay. Let me have to back up because the lights be so bright. This isn't bad at all. This isn't bad. We're gonna make it work. I'm excited because I don't feel like I need to take it back. So I'm gonna take some more and just dot it and just see how this builds and apply with a brush. Hey y'all, this shade is beautiful and it looks nice. Y'all can see that it's a little bit light, but it's still gonna work. What y'all think in the comments below? Let me know. Sound off in the comments below. So, concealer. Got a new concealer, which, it ain't new. But these shades are new, and I caught them like on super sale, so I decided to purchase them. The Tarte concealers, I have Tan Sand and Medium Tan Sand. So we're gonna start off with Tan Sand since this is the darker shade. Let's see. And I know this stuff is heavy duty. Don't it say heavy duty on here? Double duty. So I'm just gonna go like this. Forehead, chin, nose. There we go. Then I'm gonna take some of this lighter shade. Let's just see how light it is. I really don't know. Oh, not too bad. We're gonna keep it simple like that for now. And I think I'm gonna grab my brush. And the best brush to grab is definitely the Real Techniques setting brush. I love how this blends it out. It's just so bomb. This brush is so versatile. One of the most versatile brushes I feel like out there. Okay. Let's blend this out. I know people was ranting and raving over this concealer, girl. I believe it's only sold in Ulta as well as on their site. So yeah. And both of these, from my understanding, are definitely heavy duty and great in the heat. So I will be testing that out today as well. This just blends in very flawlessly. It seems like it may dry down fast. So let me hurry up. I had this a long time ago, but I bought the wrong shade. And then I know they extended the shades recently, but I had the shade tan, and tan was too pink for me. So I never used it. So I got tan sand now, because it's more of a yellow undertone, and baby. So for cream contour, I'm going to grab my Black Opal 6 and take the shade Warm Almond and just warm us up, girl, because we need it. We're going to have to blend this out and make sure it is seamless. I added a little bit on the side of my nose and just blended it out with the sponge. But do you see how the cream contour just really brought us together? Like, it's so important to cream contour when you are trying to, when you want to just make something work. The cream contour pulled it together when it's a little bit too light, for sure. My face, I don't even really feel like I need to set it. It's like, this is a good combo. This is like a wedding combo. Oh yeah. I might have to switch up my wedding glam. Girl, whenever we get back to having weddings. I'm definitely gonna take our Makeup Forever powder and apply that pretty much in the highlight areas with our sponge. Tapping into it and just tapping it on. I really don't feel like I need much powder. I never felt this way. These products are really matte. But y'all know I don't really do too many matte products because my skin is pretty much normal to dry, on the drier side since I moved. So it's kind of like, I don't really do matte. I just be doing illuminating glow and things like that. So baby, this right here, matted it, batted it out of that. Okay, you hear me? Yes, and then I'm gonna take the Mercier Honey. I did just post a video on this powder, talking about it, using it. If you want more information on it, go ahead and check it out. I did show you both powders, all the powders from Mercier compared. So yeah. My Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. And just tap over the bake. And just set everything. So pretty. Now let's do some bronzer. I don't have a new bronzer. I got my Karma Cutie and my Bajan Girl from Fenty. That's what we will be using. And I'll just be taking the brush and just like tapping it, y'all. Tap, 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 tap. Get it up on there. Tap it up on there. I might not need Karma Cutie today since we did that cream contour with that Black Opal. These cream blushes from Fenty are bomb. I'm not going to use it because I have used it in my last couple of videos, but I want a few more colors because they're really nice. Today I'm going to take the Nars blush in Seduction because I feel like it goes with my eyes. Seduction. Come on. Now, let's melt all these powders together. More and more if you spray. So I'm gonna go back into the Supreme Nudes palette. I pretty much have aesthetic all over my eye, and I'm blending that out with eccentric and a little bit of stripped closer to the brow bone. Now I'm just gonna take that aesthetic and eccentric and aesthetic mixed together and just run that along the lower lash line. Really simple. I've been loving this palette because y'all know I don't really be doing too much. And these shades, girl, these shades. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats, what do they call this? Diamond Bomb. What is that noise that be happening? And that's what's kind of like all over my face right now because I didn't clean off that brush. What did the brush go? Yeah. So I'm gonna take this a little bit and just apply. You guys, this stuff, bomb. It's so beautiful. And you know, I don't really go for like no silver or white gold. I just do gold. You know, I'm gonna do silver and all that. But this is beautiful. Like, it's just, okay, this is damn near a wedding beat. That was not the purpose, but that's what it's looking like. And just the, girl, that glitter that it gives is beautiful. You don't need too much. And you really don't need to apply this like a highlighter, you know, like with a fan brush and nothing, no. Because it's like putty and it's just beautiful. Okay, let's figure out the lip. What lip y'all think? What lip y'all think or whatever? Before I apply my bottom mascara, I'm gonna apply a little bit of setting spray, 2 of them to be honest. This is the Morphe Luminous. And then of course we gotta do a little bit of all-nighter. Let this dry. Here we go. Okay, for lip liners, I am going to take BFF3 from Colourpop. I got so many liners and I'm using the same one every time. Are y'all like that too? Like, these are just the go-to and they go with everything. Like, it's just like simple. You feel me? So we're just doing a rough outline with BFF3. Now I'm going to take a darker liner, which this is from NYX, and this is Espresso, I think. No, dark brown. And just really be precise with this one. Super precise. Now, from here you can do whatever you want. Red lip, pink lip, blue lip, green lip. Listen, you can also just apply some gloss and be done. I'm gonna apply, I just grabbed it. Ooh, y'all know she be disappearing this one. I'm gonna apply Yash by MAC. It's a peachy nude, very peachy, almost pinky nude. And let's tap this on. Okay, what's next? Is that it, you guys? Is that it? We can fix my hair. I need to fix my hair. Okay. We're gonna do my hair. I need to take a little bit of this sweet almond oil, girl, and I need some on my scalp because it's just been dry and itchy. So I just really take my hair and just curl it. I take really big sections because we're not looking to get it like super sleek because this isn't a fresh hairdo. Just want to put a little bit of curl in there so it can lay better and just look better. So we're going to go ahead and do that really quickly. And yeah. Alright, you guys, I just went ahead and put some, you know, just bumped my hair a little bit because it's almost old, so it needed a little help. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it. So the foundation is really nice. The mixture of the foundation and this Tarte concealer is looking really nice. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know. As well as give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate every single one of you guys supporting me over the years and continue to come back and watch my videos. And I will see you on my next video.